Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today everything is about cap embroidery and we will actually start by hooping the cap with our framing station here. This will help you to work more efficiently and also save you time. This is our cap frame here. Make sure you have a bunch of them ready, so once this is running on the machine, you can prepare your next round. And I'm gonna hoop this one now with our hooping device. Why our hooping station at all? Well, first of all, it's vibration free, so don't attach it to your machine, rather leave it stand alone. Then you can use it for multiple machines at a time, so you can have one hooping station. And above all, it's very ergonomic, so you can adjust the height to your body height and it will be awesome for your back. So the ledge goes on top, loaded here, and you will hear a nice snap. If you're planning to embroider all the way around your cap, or if you want to run some open mesh, make sure you add some backing before to keep it solid. When we use the backing, I like to attach some double-sided tape to hold the backing in place. Unfold the hem here. So hold it roughly in place with your right hand and then fold the spring over and make sure that these teeth here are exactly in the seam. This way you can ensure that it's all in place and you have no wrinkles. Once it's all roughly aligned, you can put the handle here into the hook and make sure this notch is also in place. So we're going to align this red stripe here to our middle seam. Once we're happy with the position, we can fasten the clamp. Double check by using this lever. Last thing, to secure the brim. We're good to go. We have 1, 2, 3 clamps. We push them all at once. We hear a snap and we can take it out. Right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Also follow us for more content on other social media platforms, and I'll see you next time.